For mere black or something.
I might pull somebody to trade for it.
Or emerald, yeah, that'd be nice.
What's the hits in that box?
4 hits, usually 2 autographs and 2 jerseys. Phillip Rivers, Jamal Charles, Antonio Brown. For the Saints, Nick Toon jersey. Rookie certified materials. The Saints. Anybody have the Saints? John got the Saints?
I got a buddy in Alabama.
Where'd he go? Wisconsin, I think?
I got 16.
We got a red coming up. Miles Austin, Des Bryant, and for the Houston Texans, Andre Johnson. Red, mirror red. I think these are the 150. 250. Nice.
Yeah,
You want to see that one?
no, you got white.
Oh, the white. Oh, there you go, John. No problem. There's a Falcon on the back. Chris Johnson, Matt Schaub, Brandon Pettigrew, and for the Jets, Stephen Hill, dual jersey rookie auto, freshman fabric. Anybody got the Jets? To $4.99. Cortland Finnegan and Roddy White for the Falcons. Matthew Stafford, Von Miller, a new generation rookie, Andre Branch, number to $9.99. Doug Baldwin and Mark Ingram. That's kind of hard to read. Was that 2 hits?
Two.
Two patches and
Was it Ingram just a card or was that a hit?
Just a card. We got Eric Decker, Cameron Wake, a blue for the Tennessee Titans. Kenny Britt, number 17 out of 100 for the Titans. I don't know who has those guys. Beanie Wells and Matt Forte. Ahmad Bradshaw, Charles Woodson, Donald Brown, and for the San Francisco 49ers, certified rookie, A.J. Jenkins. Nice. Number to $2.99. And with an Alex Smith and a Jared Allen at the end. Should have one more auto. There's a red. Carlos Dansby, Steve Breston, and for the Saints, a mirror red, Darren Sproles.
Good one.
Yeah. Hey, John. Mike Williams and Christian Ponder. Rashard Mendenhall, Tony Romo. For the Eagles, Vinny Curry. I think he was a Georgia kid. Rookie to $9.99, new generation. James Anderson and Sidney Rice. Should be one more hit. It's in here. Kenny Britt, Santonio Holmes, Dwayne Bowe, and Michael Vick for the Eagles. Mirror red jersey for the Eagles. Number to $1.99, Michael Turner and Patrick Peterson. That should have been hit. That was 2 autographs. We got the Stephen Hill. Brandon Lloyd, Ray Rice, and Immortals, Priest Holmes. Number to $9.99. Nice card. Jimmy Graham for the Saints and Vernon Davis. Certified.